Oh, you are in for a treat tonight. You are not going to believe this. All right, so this is from Rachel Comey. Rachel Comey, high-end designer. You can search her, Rachel Comey, and find these fabrics. She has a fabric that she uses for her pants. It's called foam. It's from Italy. It is a poly cotton blend, mostly cotton. Got a little bit of poly in it. But it is these we have, and it's unbelievable. These pants are like $400, $500, and we got them at a really special price, and we're going to pass that along, and I'm so excited. So anyway, let me show them to you. We start with $52.93, I'm sorry. And as we go down here, what I've done is I've put them in order of weight. So like this first one, honestly, it feels like Lululemon fabrics on steroids. It's so beautiful. It's so soft. I don't even know how to describe it, except I would say feel it, feel it. It's just amazing. It's beautiful. So we're going to do them all at $12.99 just for tonight, tomorrow, and then they'll go up. But I just want to give them to you, but I can't give them to you, obviously. Okay, they're all two-way stretch. They're all cotton poly blends. They're just beautiful, and I just can't believe we have them, but we do. So we're going to start with $52.93. It's lighter. Then we go to $52.94, if I can count correctly. It's a little bit heavier, but the drape in these is out of this world. I mean, they're just beautiful. Leggings, jackets, pants, tops, anything. Then we go to this one. This one's, again, a little bit heavier. Gorgeous. And then this one is the heaviest. These are all threes. I'm gonna put them as a 4 for weight. Not heavy, but just really more what you'd feel for a pant. Oh, it's beautiful. They're all beautiful. I don't know what else to say. I can't tell you. This charcoal, this is just like a Pontoroma. It's mainly cotton. There's a teeny little bit of poly in it. It's beautiful. It's all just amazing. So I'm so excited to have these for you. Again, tonight, Friday, they'll be $12.99. But until they're gone, I mean, we just don't have that much. It's going to go fast. But anyway, the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.